Hey guys, and welcome to today's review. Today we're taking a look at the Solar Showcase BD. It is a cheap solar showcase from China. There's nothing much in the box, front, back, up. So once you open the box, you're just greeted with a lot of bubble wrap. So taking the device out of the box, put the box to us one side, and let's get it out of the bubble wrap. And here it is. The Solar Showcase BD. I have no idea what BD stands for. But anyway, as you can see, it's just a cheap plastic showcase. A very simple one with a plastic transparent dial on top. You've got 4 solar panels on either side of this thing. On the bottom, you have nothing much. Just says made in China with a slot that supposedly you can fit a battery. But if you were to open this, there is nothing in there. You just see a bunch of wires from the solar panel to the motor, and you do not have any place to fit batteries in this. For around 16 ringgit, you do get a good bargain. Although it's cheap, it's quite versatile. You can use it outdoors, in your showcase. You can put your action figures on top of it. If you're making videos like me, you can put up your mouse, your GoPro, your watch. It can even carry smartphones on it, and it will rotate. But even though you have 4 solar panels, you can't expect much. They are all cheap solar panels, so they are limited with the amount of power that they can output. In direct sunlight, it's powerful enough to carry the GoPro together with all its extension arms and even the suction cup. It can carry the Logitech mouse. It can carry my watch. It can carry my phone. It can even carry my camera at 1.1 kilos. But it can only swivel from side to side. It doesn't do an entire 360, it only rotates 180. And this must be due to the weight limitation. Of course, this being so cheap, you can't really put heavy stuff on it. It is just meant to showcase your action figures and soft toys and so forth, which are small enough to fit that circular platform. It's quite small. As you can see, the size comparison between my hero and the mouse, it's not really much bigger than the mouse itself. If I were to lift this up side by side, you can see that the mouse and the solar showcase is about the same size. So you really can't put much on it. Now for the downside. Indoors with sunlight coming through the window and you still can't rotate. It's currently about 1 o'clock in the afternoon with sufficient light coming through the window and it still can't turn the mouse. Putting it under the lamp does not make any difference. This thing works the best when there's sufficient light or you have quite powerful lights indoors which enable it to spin. Anyway, this has been a short review of the Solar Showcase BD. You can buy this at any of your Alibaba physical shops that you have around you. This is about 15.99 or 16 ringgit, and for the viewers overseas, that's roughly about 4 USD. And I think at that price, you really can't ask much more. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more future content. Till I see you in the next one, do take care of yourself. Bye-bye.